Good morning students. In this video we are going to discuss strings, methods and built-in functions. Next, estrip. This method returns the string after removing the space from the left of the string. Its syntax str.estrip, str.estrip or str.estrip characters. For example, word equal to space green revolution. Print word.estrip returns green revolution. Estrip function returns a copy of the string with leading white spaces removed. That is, white spaces from the leftmost end are removed. Leftmost end are removed. Okay. Next one, rstrip. This method removes all the trailing white spaces from the right side of the string. Its syntax str.rstrip or str.rstrip characters. This function returns a copy of the string with trailing white spaces removed. That is, white spaces from the rightmost end are removed. For example, word equal to green revolution space. Print word dot r strip returns green revolution. Okay, next example, print word dot estrip on. It returns green revolution. Okay, it removes all the trailing white spaces from the right of the string. Here on removed. Here the letters on are passed as an argument. It is smashed from the right of the string and removed from the right of the string word. Next, title. It returns a title-cast version of the string where all the words starts with uppercase characters and all remaining letters are in lowercase. Its syntax str.title. Example, word equal to computer science. Computer C small letter and space S small letter S science. Print word dot title. It returns capital letter C computer space capital letter S science. It returns all the words starts with uppercase letters and remaining letters OMPUTER are in lowercase. Next, is title. This method returns true if the string has title case, otherwise returns false. Is title method does not take any argument. It returns true if the string is properly title cased. Returns false if the string is not a title cased string or an empty string. Example, word equal to small letter C computer space small letter S science. Print word dot is title. Returns false. Next, count. This method returns the number of occurrence of the substring in string. Its syntax str.count sub start stop. For example, word equal to computer science, print word dot count E. To count the occurrence of E in computer science, E 1, 2, 3. It returns 3. Next example, print word dot count E, 8 to 13. Count the occurrence of E in the string 8th position to 13th characters. 8th to 13th characters. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count the occurrence of E. 1, 2. 8 to 13, only 1. Then word dot count E, comma 8. Count the occurrence of E in the string 8th character onwards. 8th character onwards. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Returns 2. Thus we have come to the end of today's session. Thank you.